Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to get iPhone notifications on Windows. To get iPhone notification sounds on your Windows PC, follow these steps. On your Windows browser, go to search.net. Use the search bar to look for iPhone notification sounds or a specific sound you want. Download notification sounds. Browse through the available notification tones, click on the one you like, and hit download. Save the audio file to a folder on your Windows PC. Then, open a website called FreeConvert. Make sure it is set to a WAV converter. Now, click on Choose Files, then hit Choose from Device. Go to Downloads folder, choose the file that has been downloaded, then hit Open. Click on Convert to start converting to a WAV file and hit Download. Use the notification sound on Windows. Head over to your Settings, System, Sound, scroll down, then hit on More Sound Settings on your Windows PC. Under Sounds, choose the action you want to customize. For example, asterisk. Now, click Browse, navigate to the downloaded file, choose it, and hit Open. Now, by clicking Test, you can preview the new notif sounds. To apply the changes, click Apply and hit OK to set the iPhone notification sounds as your specific action notification tone on Windows. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.